What's up guys, Bodie here, BodieDavison.com. In today's video, we're going to look at the top 5 products to sell on Teespring, so the Teespring top 5 products in 2021. Teespring now changing to spring, a few things have changed, but one thing that hasn't changed is the top 5 products that are selling the most. If you're new to your print-on-demand journey, you should check out the channel. I've got the Teespring tutorial playlist, the print-on-demand playlist, and heaps of other videos about print-on-demand and making money online. So make sure to have a look around and make sure you hit subscribe. But for now, let's look at the Teespring top 5 products that are selling in 2021. Alright guys, so looking at the Teespring top 5 products in 2021, and I'm not really going to go over just like the basic things that most people are going to suggest. Like, yes, we know what sells the most on Teespring, or if you guys don't, I'll go over probably the top 3 right now, just so you do know. So obviously tees sell very well. So the classic tee and the premium tee are the 2 t-shirts that sell the most. So there's that for you. Obviously it depends on your niche as well. If you're in more of a women's sort of niche, then obviously it's going to be different. You're going to sell a lot of women's shirts. It depends on your audience, depends on your niche. The next one along would be hoodies and sweatshirts, but mainly hoodies. So the classic pullover hoodie and the premium pullover hoodie are the 2 biggest sellers. And you would have also seen the all over print sweatshirt. A lot of you guys followed along with my video on making ugly Christmas sweaters at Christmas, and I did get some messages from some of you guys that had some success with that, which was really cool to hear. Classic crew neck sweatshirt is also kind of popular, but nothing compared to the hoodies. So these 2 hoodies here, definitely the 2 most popular ones. And then third in the most obvious things that sell is tank tops, and the classic tank top is the one that has sold the most for me anyway, and from what I've heard from other people in the industry. Most people don't need a premium tank top. Like, tank tops, it's not like it needs to be high quality. It just needs to look good with your good design on there. And again, it would depend on your audience whether you would sell a women's tank top or whether you would sell a classic tank top like that one up the top there. So let's just count those 3 as one, and I'll give you 4 more for 2021 in my top 5 products on Teespring. And the first one I'm going to show you is down here in accessories, and it's actually face masks. Where are we here? So we'll keep these 2 as one. So cloth face mask and neck gaiter, because they're both similar things here. But the face mask, I did make a video on this also, and a lot of you guys had some success with that as well, which was really cool. So these are selling, especially with the way of the world at the moment, and it's the same with the neck gaiters. Like, a lot of people have to wear them in public, and why would you have a boring one when you can have a custom printed one? It's one of those items where people see it and they're like, oh, that looks cool. They know they have to wear one, so why not have a custom one? Neck gaiters just falls into the same sort of thing. And so we've got a face mask store here. I love social distancing. I'm sure that would do well. Some of these designs look quite good. So you got a samurai one on there. USA flag. I'm sure a lot of Americans would love that one. And yeah, just a few different ones down here. Obviously this one is targeted towards kids. A cat one. So there's a few different ideas there. So we'll count that as 2 so far. The third one that I've got for you in the Teespring top 5 products is actually canvas prints. I've talked about canvas prints many times. Canvas prints is one of the things that I like to sell, and they do really, really well. So canvas prints on Teespring, not many people think of it, but a lot of people sell them on a lot of different other print-on-demand platforms. Canvas prints on Teespring, I'm telling you, is a good one to go for. So then if we have a look here, you've got a few different canvas prints, and they all look pretty high quality. That's what you want. You want a high quality looking one, because no one's going to want to buy something that's kind of trashy looking. People only ever really buy canvas prints. Like, I have 2 in my office here behind me, and they're very high quality. They look really cool, nice colors, things like that. So canvas prints can be a really good one. Alright, so my next one, which would make it number 4 out of my top 5 products on Teespring. So leggings. These all over print leggings are huge, especially any girl that's into fitness and is on Instagram definitely wears these all over print leggings. You would have seen them. They're quite a trending item at the moment, and they're something that you can definitely have a targeted audience of girls, and then you've just got to find that right niche that they're into. And yeah, like, I've seen a lot of girls with these custom print leggings on. They're definitely trending, definitely a hot item in 2021. And here we are, you've got lots and lots of different leggings. If you're wondering how to do all over print, I do have a tutorial on how to make custom leggings with that all over print, so you can just search on my channel for that one. But as you can see, they actually look quite cool when they're done properly, and definitely, as I said, trending in 2021. Number 5 in the top 5 trending things for Teespring in 2021. Teespring top 5. Phone cases are definitely good and they deserve a mention in there, but mugs are definitely a go-to. Mugs always sell. You can find people in certain niches, like dog niche is always one that pops up. Custom printing with these. Custom printing always does well with mugs where it's like personalized and has someone's name on it, things like that. They make a good gift. They're funny, you know, like people can find a lot of humor in them and you can do a lot of different things with them. So as you can see here, lots of cool examples of them. Definitely a really hot seller. They always will be, I think, especially these customized ones. Like there's a lot of customized messages here. They're going for mums, they're going for proud Americans, they're going for dads. All these people have their little niches and that's what they're chasing. And yeah, you'll definitely find your target audience with those types of mugs. I will have a bonus one here for you, and that is all over print gear. So the all over print leggings are definitely a hot seller, but these all over print unisex hoodies, things like that, people definitely like them if you've got the right picture. This one isn't that cool, so if you got the right picture, a lot of people absolutely love these. I've seen them getting worn more and more, and they're just like, you can do outrageous things on them, you know, people's faces, stuff like that. They actually look really funny and really cool. So all over print hoodies, and you've even got all over print long sleeve tee here. Definitely popular in 2021. Another special mention is hats and beanies. Hats and beanies always a hot seller. Very interesting that they got the specialty prints going these days as well on Teespring. Glow in the dark. Very, very cool idea. If you have the right audience, something that would go well with them. And there you have it, the Teespring top 5 products in 2021. Thanks so much for watching. Please give the video a like, comment down below any questions or comments you've got. Make sure you have a look around the channel as I said at the start of the video, and make sure you hit subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.